In this video, we learn how to reset Android Studio to default settings. So first of all, go to File Explorer. In here, click on C drive. Now click on Users. Now click on your username, and in here you will find this folder Android Studio with version number. So right click on it and click on delete. So by deleting this folder, now open your Android Studio. So it will open with default settings. After waiting for a while, select don't import setting and click on OK. So by this easy and simple method, we can reset Android Studio to default setting. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching this video.